Hey guys, we're on the way to go see Ed Georgica. Ed's got a really storied career. He's head of logistics, head equipment manager, and he's facility manager for an MLS team. Ed worked with us several years ago to develop the line of cleat dryers, and he's been in the equipment manager role for his entire life. Anyway, on our way, and I hope you enjoy.
This one, we took the old one, put it on our Academy side, put your newer version on this side. And when we started, we thought we'd only need one, but now we need two on this side. We have two on the other side for our Academy kids. They love it. It just takes the dampness out of the boots.
Yep.
And kids leave it on there. They have to put it back. We have a routine for them. They put them on. We have set timers now. They come on from 10 till 12 at night.
Perfect.
And then that air is through our exhaust system that we engineered for. Fantastic.
Right.
It's the best machine you could get. I've had it a long time, Des. We've known each other a long time.
Yeah.
But I highly recommend the boot. The way it dries the boot is key because now the new materials with the Adidas boots and Nike boots, you can't dry it too fast because it gets too soft, and players it takes out their insoles and all that. They don't like it.
Well, I remember too when we started, we worked with you to get exactly what you thought what needed to happen. It's great.
Yeah, no, for me it's space because it's tough for space everywhere. It's you're out 2 feet. The boots it keeps it nice and compact. Guys come in, they sit down, put their boots on, put them back there because we don't let anybody pass here with their boots on.
Oh, right on.
Yeah,
Okay.
so it's no boot zone that way. They can come out with them, but they can't go in with the dirty boots. So yeah, no, then they come in here and put all their boots in.
Oh,
so
very
flip-flops
cool.
go here,
Yep.
other sandals there, the boots go in here. Again, right now we're not we're just getting ready for preseason, so everything's being cleaned. So again, repeating myself a little bit, but is that the insole doesn't start to curl at the front of the toe.
Right.
And back in the day when we some of the other machines, we just fry them, they're no good. Didn't work.
Too hot.
Yeah, too hot. But from a disinfectant side of perspective, and that we've never, knock on wood, have any issues with any of the foot funguses or any of that with the boots because the way they're dried slowly, it doesn't hold the heat, doesn't hold it and keep it mature.
Well, also moisture, right? I
Yeah.
mean, no moisture, no growth.
Yes. So we'll head down to the academy. We put 2 of the dryers in there when we first started.
Right.
The academy kids play all winter. So that's when the boots are really getting soaked. They're on the turf field, the wear and tear. So the dryers have really helped our side from the academy perspective. But that's why we try to get the boys to throw them on there all the time. And then we do have a hydroculator, so when they dry, they throw them on the hydroc for a little bit, and then they're gone.
Right on.
Yeah, and all that. But in the soccer world, or somewhat back in the day in the hockey world, we used to. Now CCM and Bauer have ovens. Well, we don't have ovens for boots because guys would forget them and they'd be melted. But so we put them on the steamer. But they've tried to build these machines and they just haven't done it properly. And that's what I love about the Williams dryers. You don't have that issue. Your issue is it dries them slowly and it doesn't form them to a different mold.
Yeah,
That's the key of the whole thing.
It's a great place to store them too.
Yeah.
This
room was built for you.
Wow.
Yes, exactly.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, so the guys can wash them because if we're on the grass in the summertime, they get mucky and stuff, depending on the weather, and then they come right in here and wash them, put them on. So, but by morning, they're done. And that's what's key is the old days of hockey and, because we worked together, you could never dry them completely. Our boots are dried and the guys love it.
Perfect.
That's all we can ask
Well,
for.
thank you very much.
Okay.